Welcome back, everyone, to day 21 of my journey from zero to Tokyo. Now, I did miss a day, so I did start out with revising, but I also learned a couple of phrases, but the big thing was refining how I want to practice comprehension. Oh, hello, beautiful. First time Tara has joined a lesson, but let's get to it. Konnichiwa, and we're back for day 21. It should probably be day 22, but I missed yesterday again. I was going to do it, but it was after midnight, and this time I didn't bring myself to start. But we're back today, back on the horse, ready to go.
No worries at all. Consistency beats perfection. The fact that you're back at it today means you're still in the game. Let's pick up right where we left off and keep building on your progress.
Sounds good. So what should we cover today?
Today, let's expand your directional skills by adding relationships like next to, across from, or after. That way, you can say things like, the cafe is next to the park. We'll step up your conversational map.
Okay, so before we build with the new stuff, can we revise the old stuff? Because, it was a couple of days ago, and obviously I've only learned it once, so we'll see how well it sticks.
Absolutely. Let's reinforce the foundation. We'll run through directions again, straight, left, right, and you'll guide me. Then we'll build up from there. Whenever you're ready, I'll ask for a place and you can direct me.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Where's the restaurant? Guide me step by step using those directions we practiced before.
Restaurant. Hidari, そして左、そしてまっすぐ、そしてギリ川。
You pieced that together well. So you had left, then straight, and then it would be on the right side, migi gawa. The directions are sticking. Now we're set to add more complexity.
Okay, I actually said kawa, not gawa, but if the rest was correct, I'm still relatively pleased.
You should be pleased. The directions themselves were right, and that tiny slip, kawa instead of gawa, is a small detail. You're getting the structure down, and that's what matters most. Let's keep building.
Okay, what's next?
Now let's add tonari for next to and mise for in front of. For example, you could say the restaurant is next to the cafe, or the park is in front of the hospital. Let's give that a try.
Okay. Well, before I actually say that, are they called particles? The? How do I say the? And also, how do I say is?
Japanese doesn't have a direct word for the. Context tells you if something is specific. As for is, you use des at the end of a sentence. For example, レストランはカフェの隣です means the restaurant is next to the cafe. Simple, right? Let's give it a shot.
Remind me what no means again after cafe. I know that it's saying something about the cafe, but I can't remember what no means.
The particle no shows possession or relationship. In this case, cafe no tonari means the cafe is next to. So it's saying the next to of the cafe. It links the cafe to its neighbor. Once you get used to it, it's a handy glue word.
That's so strange because obviously, we use possessives like that in English, but in English it's not the cafe is, right? So that's definitely will take some getting used to. But you said tonari was in front of, and next to was, I'm just going to scroll back up and check it. Oh no, tonari is next to and mai is in front of. Okay, so if I wanted to say the cafe is next to the park, I would say
You're right on track. Say...
Yep, go on.
No worries. So you'd say, cafe wa公園の隣です. That pattern, place wa, the other place no, and then the relationship, will keep working for other combinations. So with that pattern in mind, you're set.
Got you. So des means polite, but it also means is? Is that the same word or two different words that are said the same?
It's the same word. Des works as a polite sentence ending copula. Basically, it's your is or am, but it also keeps things polite. So whether you're saying it is or just being formal, that same this does the job.
Okay. Tell you what, give me a few example sentences using the words I've already learned, and I'll try to say them using the words that we've learned.
Perfect. Let's do it. First, the hospital is in front of the park. Second, the restaurant is next to the cafe. Third, the station is behind the shop. You can piece them together step by step.
Okay, the second one would be restaurant wa cafe no tonari des. The third one would be eki wa. I don't think we learned behind, so instead of behind, I'm going to say in front of. And so eki wa shop my des.
Nicely done. You nailed the structure. And you're right, we haven't covered behind yet, so switching it up was perfect. Keep practicing just like this, and it'll get easier each time.
So yeah, give me each of those three again and break down each word in them. I know we learned the word for hospital, but I don't remember it. It's not just hospital, is it? But yeah, break down each of those three and sort of give me the word by word breakdown.
Sure. First, the hospital is in front of the park. Hospital is byoin, park is koen, mae is in front of. So, byoin wa koen no mae desu. Second, the restaurant is next to the cafe. Restaurant is restaurant, cafe is cafe, and tonari is next to. So, restoran wa kafe no tonari desu. Third, the station is in front of the shop. Station is eki, shop is mise, and again mae for in front of. So, eki wa mise no mae desu. Each piece is just linking place, relationship, and that des to wrap it up.
Okay, give me two more, but just one at a time.
All right, here's the first one. The cafe is in front of the station. Take your time with it.
Cafe wa eki no mae desu.
Perfect, you've got it exactly right. The structure's spot on. Let's do one more. The park is next to the hospital. Give that one a go.
Koen wa myoin no tonari desu.
Nicely done. Just one tiny tweak. It's byoin for hospital, but you were super close. You've really nailed the pattern. Keep at it, and these will feel natural in no time.
Okay, so now let's do some comprehension practice. I think we haven't done that in a little while. And with that in mind, include phrases from anything that we've covered at any point. It doesn't have to just be these directions ones. It can also go as far back as our original ones. Not sure how well you can think about spaced repetition, but if you can, then use that to figure out which phrases I probably need to practice the most.
Let's reinforce your early basics then. I'll say a sentence mixing requests or common phrases we did earlier, and you tell me what it means. Ready? Here's one. Mise de mizu o kudasai.
I don't think we ever learned the word there. At least I don't recall it. But mise wo mizu kudasai. It's obviously please show me the mizu. So maybe please show me this.
No worries. Mise was actually shop or store, and mizu is water. So that meant please give me water at the shop. You had the structure right. Let's try another to keep sharpening.
Yeah, we probably did learn both of those words, but I don't recall learning either of them. Okay, so mise, shop, mizu. I might have to try to memorize them as a pair, like buying water at a shop, because they do seem somewhat similar, mise, mizu. Okay, yeah, let's keep going.
That's a great idea. Linking similar sounds can help. Let's keep it rolling. Here's another one. Asoko no eki wa doko desu ka? Take your time and see what you recognize.
I assume you're not mentioning Ahsoka from Star Wars. I don't think I ever learned the word Ahsoka. So, no eki wa doko desu ka? So the rest of that sentence is just where is the station? And you said no is... Oh, where is the station that's going to Ahsoka? Is Ahsoka a place?
No Jedi references here. Asoko simply means over there. So that sentence was, where is the station over there? You got the rest perfectly. Now you've got a new word to add to your toolkit.
That's a strange sentence because if you're asking where is the station, but you're saying it's over there. Doesn't that somewhat imply you already know where it is?
I get what you mean. In practice, it's used when you know the general direction, but not the exact spot. Like, where's the station in that area over there? It's more about narrowing down a location. So it's handy when you're close, but not quite there yet.
Okay, so that sentence was asoko no eki wa doko desu ka?
Exactly. Asoko no eki wa doko desu ka means where is the station over there? Now that you've broken it down, it's one more type of question you can confidently ask.
Okay, give me some more.
Let's keep rolling. How about this? レストランで何も食べませんでした。Take a moment, see what you catch.
I feel like you're giving me sentences with several words I've never learned. That said, I obviously know restaurant, and I think tabemasen is that's taberu, which was a word we learned. I can't remember exactly what it means. Maybe to do, but I don't remember nanimo or deshita. So, yeah, please break this one down.
No problem. Taberu means to eat, and tabemasen deshita means did not eat. Nanimo means nothing. So the sentence is, at the restaurant, I ate nothing. You did pick out the key parts, just needed a bit of context. Let's keep sharpening that ear.
Okay, so we have definitely not even remotely touched the past tense. Are you intentionally giving me things similar to what I've learned, but not exactly the same, to see if I notice the gist?
You caught me. I'm nudging you a bit. It's a way to see how much you recognize from patterns we built. But you're right, we hadn't formally done past tense. I'll keep us anchored to what we've covered. Still challenging, but not jumping ahead. Let's keep growing from what's solid.
Okay, yeah, keep going. We still have a minute left.
You got it. Here's one. 右に曲がって、それからまっすぐ. Listen to that one and see what directions you catch.
Migi ni magatte must mean left at the something, so probably left at the corner or left at the lights. And sore kara, I guess that's the thing I'm looking for, but I don't know what it means. Kara, I feel like meant comes. We used that when I was saying come from. Kara Australia. Sore, I believe, was this. So, no, sore was that. And masuga is straight. So it's going to be, and that will be straight in front of you, and you'll come straight to it. You'll come straight to that. So left at the lights, and then you'll come straight to that.
You pieced a lot of it together. Actually, migi means right, so it's turn right. Sore kara means and then. So it's turn right and then go straight. Your instincts were good. We'll keep building on these directions. Great work.
I mean, you said I pieced a lot of it together, but I feel like every one of the pieces was wrong. So, other than recognizing masuga. So, that's very kind. I would have been very proud if any of that was correct, but yeah, that's okay. Okay, so maybe in the future, when we start doing comprehension practice, let's start with phrases that I've explicitly learned, and we can gradually make them more difficult to see if I can still piece them together. But let's not start with phrases I've never learned, because that was confusing.
That's a fair point. We'll stick to the phrases you've explicitly learned as our base, and then only ramp up complexity bit by bit. That way you'll feel confident and challenged, but never lost. We'll keep it structured.
Okay, ありがとうございます。またね。
どういたしまして。またね. Keep up the great work, and we'll pick it up next time.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'm liking where we're getting to, the stage we're in now. It's less just random phrases and more actually starting to learn some patterns that I can try to use. Still feel very rusty with all of it, but we'll keep practicing, and hopefully I'll be able to make sentences like the best of them at some point. All right, well, until then, or until tomorrow, mata ne.